there for today's vlog. Alam nyo, it's really kind of funny because this is really not mine, but I hope you're gonna like it though. I'm just invading others' properties, and this is the Pascual-Pokrass. Check it out. We went to the mall, and then yeah, pinakita mo. This is kind of funny. We went to Virgin store na naman, mega store. So we got a new phone. Hindi pa ako itong phone ito, but nangingialam lang ako. With the new phone S22 Ultra, tama nga ba? Galaxy S22 Ultra comes along with a Galaxy Buds Pro and goes with the adapter. Kasi walang kasamang ano. Ganun na ngayon ang mga phone. Kapag bumili kayo, wala nang kasamang, what I call this? Wala nang kasamang adapter. So, ang nakalagay na lang talaga is, yun nga. At ako yung pinagbubukas ng may-ari. Wow! He got it for 4,699 dirhams. So, yan yung presyo po ng Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung difference talaga ng phone niya sa phone ko. But I do have an iPhone 13, and then that's the same place that we got it, and I got it. That's a Virgin Megastore. Siyempre, hindi naman yung mabibili sa iPhone. Anyway, pakailamera po ako ng aking phone ng kapatid ko. Yan na gagawin yung phone. And ang libre lang dyan is this. Ayan, yung Galaxy Buds. Yung buti nga may libre, di ba? But eto, this is not included. I guess he bought this. So, this is just it's the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Alright, so I'll open it up for him. Ako naman po lagi nag-open ng ng mga binibili niya. Let's go back to the opening. Jimmy, really? I'll be the one to open your new phone. Jimmy!
What?
I'll be the one to open it. It's open already.
It's already open.
Is it bigger than your old phone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't put a screen protector.
Ayan. Maganda siya. Is it on already?
No. Don't turn it on. It doesn't even
No. So it has like how many? So this is just like the infrared, and then it's three lenses also, and yep. So is it black? Really black?
Phantom black.
Yeah. See, I'm the one who's opening it and then removing all the stickers. All right. So all the stickers of his all of his things is like I'm also the one who unboxed his what call that, PlayStation 5. Yeah, and then when he got his TV, I was also there. When he got the Samsung 65-inch TV, I was also the one there. So pakilamera lang po ako ng gamit niya. But it's a nice phone. This is how big? Is it 6 inches? What's the yeah. Anyway, it's really nice. The thing is that this doesn't have a cable.
Yeah, the cable's in
Okay, so this includes only cable.
there. No adapter.
No adapter. So you have to buy an adapter. Is it here?
The cable's in there, yeah. I just bought the adapter.
Really? So, okay. So the cable is just like that. It's inside this little box. Yan, ganun lang. Just how simple as like this, and with a small box that is worth already 4,700 dirhams. So yeah, this is 4,700 dirhams, and how many gig?
125 or 128.
128.
Yeah.
It's a small.
It's the small version.
Yeah, because mine is two.
Yeah, 5,000 for the 256 and
Why did not get just a few? Yeah, just not like just it doesn't like. Yeah, right there. And this is the free one. Is it open already? Not yet open. You want me to open it? I told you I am spoiled with Jimmy. I'm the one who's opening all his things first. I just wanted to check how the earbuds of this looks like. It's so hard to open. Wait. See, it's not just unboxing of the phone, it's also unboxing of this there. The Galaxy Buds Pro. So yeah, I'm not used to unbox any we'll call this any Samsung product. It's because that I'm more into like Apple. So, but I'm so lucky having my brother Jimmy. Because I'm the one who's opening all of his things once he purchased something. And yeah, this looks nice. This really looks nice. It's so small though. Just kind of like it's so nice. Look at that. You open it, it's already full charge, Jimmy. Right? I like just something that is sticking on your ear. It really is like that. And the shell, it's really so nice. This looks so neat. Now as if I'm gonna buy also like an earbuds. Yeah. And it's full charge, and then it will gonna have the indicator. Does this have also like the cable?
no, I don't think so. Maybe not.
Yeah. See, I'm the one checking everything inside. There is the cable. Is it a USB to C? Yeah. Yeah, it's a C. USB to C. So there's a cable also. And it comes in a small box. That's a C. Is it a... Oh, nice. So you got this adapter also, but this is not included, right? You have to buy it separately. So as the USB adapter, this is the male.
It's a 35 watt.
And the C, because it's C to C. For the phone, it's C to C, and then for the earbuds, it's USB to C. So yeah, it's really kind of expensive. How much is this? See, this is 115 dirhams. Yep, there.
$35.
Yeah, $35. But it's so nice. It's heavy. So it comes like, yeah. So anything that Jimmy will gonna purchase, I'm the one who's I'm the one who is unboxing it. So that's how it looks like. So another vlog that I have again, and then it's because that he purchased something, and then I am the one who opened it. So thank you, Jimmy, for adding content. See, they said while we're going home, we are really like discussing about how to pronounce or enunciate the word content. Right? They don't want me to say it, pronounce it like content, because content is different. It's a different meaning. Content means that you're satisfied, okay? But content means that it is your film or your video that you're gonna have on your YouTube channel. But anyway, that's a simple vlog, a simple thing that I have. I just opened another purchase of Jimmy at Virgin Mobile store, Mega Store, and then it's a new phone. It's the Samsung 22 Ultra. And also with his AirPods or buds. So when you're gonna have the Samsung, it's earbuds, and you're gonna have the iPhone, it's AirPods. So I still don't know. I have AirPods. Anyway, that's it. That's the only thing that I wanted to share. It's not like I'm so happy that you always make me feel like, okay, this is your things. This is I have the pleasure of opening all those purchases that he had, that is always having when we go out, going to the mall. So yeah, thank you so much everybody for watching again. This is the Pascual-Pokrass. A happy sister is a happy life, and of course a happy wife is a happy life. Goodbye everybody, and for those who haven't subscribed yet, and of course pala, before I end this, I would like to say like shout out to those who wanted to be shout out. Yan. Ayun si Papa Burn, sabi niya talaga i-shout out siya. And for all my members, I would like to say hi to all my best. Shout out to all my members. To my new members, yeah, I do have Divine 21 Vlogs. Please do subscribe on your channel. I have Tinka Asi. I have Bizdak 21. They're all my new members, and welcome back to Mika's World. And of course, Mami Nen is also part of the Dudai's channel. And of course, I'm gonna make shout out to those other members, and